Centrally, we need to define GL master. FS00 is the T code. Means we will get, see, in company code, in company code option, when I am creating control tab and create bank test tab, I am getting chart of account level, I am getting FSP0 is the T code. Chart of account level C, I am getting this type and description tab. Okay. Now if I will go to FS00, I will get all these three tabs under one head. See, I am getting all the tabs, type and description also, control tab also, create bank also. Means chart of account option and company code option both have come under this centrally. So that is why it is mostly used, because we need not to go one by one, like first chart of account level, then company code level. Just one time only we can get all the options to create. So now,
Centrally.
huh? Company
No,
code
no,
I will
nothing.
change. Company code, see, we need to
Yeah.
check whether company code is our company code or not. So we need to change. So now let's, I will create equity share capital LI01. So every time we need to we need to change, we need to check whether it is our company or not. If not, then we need to change. So I please write down. Uh, please give heading. Create GL master centrally. Create GL master centrally. Sudhir, you guys or Shravanti, you guys wrote that those options which I create GL master company code level, or I did not explain.
No, we wrote.
Okay.
It's clear here.
Okay. So please write down. Please give next heading. Create GL master centrally.
This T code is FS00.
FS00. Yes. Please write down T code also. FS00.
Okay.
You guys are enjoying or not? Means study. This study is kind of means you guys are means it's not
Yeah,
like
yeah.
a burden, right? You're not feeling
No,
it's
Not at
fine.
all.
Okay. So yeah,
Yes.
please, yeah, please, okay, please, it's okay. Then please don't feel like it's burden. It's not tough. Okay. So now we need to click. You guys are given GL account.
the path is same. Path,
Path is same.
same
See,
path.
please write down a path same as above. Path same as above. See, commerce. See, if anybody is not even knowing the commerce, okay. If suppose anybody will start a business. If suppose anybody will start the business, he has to understand the accounts, right? Books of accounts. How much is the profit?
Yeah.
How
Yes.
much is the loss? So nobody can, if anybody is opening a business, so he has to understand the commerce accounts. So it is not science.
Yeah.
So accounts,
Yeah.
everybody has to understand, whether he is a doctor, he is starting his clinic, he has to understand what is the profit he is getting, what is the loss he is have, what is the balance sheet. So it is not a study. Our accounts or commerce is not a study. It is a practice. Means everybody has to understand. So okay.
Correct.
So now please, okay, please click on create. Okay, click on create. After that, see first.
Building 1 lakh. 1 lakh and 12.
No, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. First, we need to give GL account 1 lakh, then company code LI01. The very first, we need to give GL account 1 lakh, then company code LI01. After that, click on create button. After that, click on create button. Okay, click on create button.
Yeah.
Then we need to select, since it is a one series, means our liability series, which account group which we have created. One series means liability series, right? So means it is balance sheet. We need to select this balance sheet radio button. These round buttons are called radio buttons. We need to select this
Yeah.
balance sheet radio button. Please write down, select balance sheet radio button.
Okay.
These things actually, here it should come, just a minute.
1 lakh.
Now see, earlier it was coming like that. Now I have changed. It is coming like in series A, L, like that. So now, what I did, I came to this. Okay, this will be confusing, guys. I will explain you later. No problem. So see now, please, you guys have written a balance sheet radio button, and then account group. We need to select account group. We need to select L100. Account group L100 means share capital. Account group L100 share capital. Short text equity share capital. Short text means equity share capital account. Long text also equity share capital account. If Sudhir and Shanti, if you guys will remember this is screen type and description. This is chart of account level only, right?
Yeah.
And
Mm.
how chart of account is linked with this option with the help of this account group. You remember in chart of account when we were defining the chart of account, so we were creating the account group.
Yes.
So the chart of account is having account group. So chart of account level is type and description option. So this window is only for chart of account level. But since it is centrally, we are getting all chart of account level. Then we will go to control tab, and control tab is company code level. So we're getting all three options in this screen only. Okay.
Okay.
So please click on control data tab. Please click on control data tab. Then account currency INR. Account currency INR. Only balance in local currency. Okay, only balance in local currency tick. Okay, then line item display tick. Line item display tick. Short key 001 tick. Short key 001 tick. Sorry, short key
And this,
001. Hmm?
yeah, posting. And this open item management, that is only for balance sheet, you said, right?
This is a balance sheet.
And it is in outstanding.
Outstanding. With outstanding payable or outstanding receivable.
Correct. But this is the configuration step, right? So
No,
how we will come to know,
this is
I
not
mean,
configuration. This is the master data creation, right?
master data creation. So how we will come to know like whether that particular vendor has a balance sheet outstanding or not. In future also there may we are not selecting currently, right?
Hmm. See, no, why we are not selecting? Because nature of this GL is share capital, right? So share capital GL is not a kind of payable or outstanding payable, outstanding receivable, right?
Okay, okay.
If suppose
Hmm.
salary payable we are maintaining, so we can understand like you guys, you see a business user, from it can understand which this in salary payable he is going to define in the system. So
Okay.
this is a part of master data. So he can understand this is the payable or out like salary payable was required because salary is not given. So now he has to create this GL account, and this GL account the
Hmm.
nature is open item only. Okay,
Okay, okay,
let's suppose
understood. So we will create
hmm,
all the types of GLs as and when required.
when it is required, then only we will select this checkbox. If it is not
Okay,
required, if
okay,
it is not outstanding payable receivable, then we will skip that option.
understood.
And right now I will not suppose I'm not explaining. I see this option also recon account we will not select. If trade payable GL account we will create, that time we will select this recon account vendors.
Hmm.
If trade payable receivable we will create GL account, we will select this customer to link. Okay. And right now I will not explain you guys GST. means I will explain later. So I'm not giving this, I'm not selecting this tax category star and this checkbox. So I'm skipping this option, but I will, when I will explain GST, that time I need to select these two options for this GL. Otherwise, system will not allow to, do the posting. So now I'm skipping that option also. Okay. So now please write down line item display and short key 001, line item display tick and short key 001.
Posting data assignment roster through FICO. Yeah.
Okay. Now please
Mm-hmm.
click on create bank instance tab. Click on create bank instance tab. Okay. Now see, I am selecting this option so that error will come. Actually, this GL share capital GL should not be selected post automatically, but I am selecting this option so that error will come when I will do the posting. Logically, I should not select, but to show the error, so just simply please write down give field status group G001. Give field status group G001. Okay, and post automatically, tick post automatically. You guys don't write tick, otherwise you guys will confuse. Just field status group G001 and save and save.
G01.
Field status group
Code.
G001. Now see, this is our field status group. So this is our field status group. So in this field
Mm.
status group, whenever this GL will be used for posting, document posting, so that time
Okay.
what all fields will be required, what all, actually there are three kinds of fields: suppressed, mandatory and optional. So in this field
Yeah.
status group there will be field status subgroup. In the field status subgroup, which is a part of, you remember this global parameters, right? So you see
Yes. Yes.
which all fields we want to keep it as optional, mandatory. So we have kept our this profit center optional. See, we have kept our business area optional,
Mm.
functional area and
Mm.
segment also optional. Four things we have kept optional. See, segment optional, functional area optional. So if you want,
Okay.
if you a business want, no, we don't want this functional area as optional, we
Mm.
want to make it hidden, then we will keep this as suppress. Okay.
Okay.
Correct.
So
Correct.
Yeah.
how those fields will come for this particular GL posting. So in the GL master we need to assign this field status group G001, and you can drill down also, double click and drill down, and you can see all the options. Okay, so please give field
So the
status.
code will be only one G001.
Because this is group, this group is having all, see, you can see
Oh,
field status group is G001, and it is having all the subgroups, and in the subgroups we
okay.
can have the fields, and we can make the changes. And this is a part of, this is field status group is the part of company code global parameter, so which we have already defined,
Mm-hmm.
you can see LFSB. LFSB, no, this one field status group G001, so it is our field status group only.
Okay.
Okay, so means field will be controlled at a time of document posting with the help of this GL. If I am going, if I will do the posting, then fields will be controlled. Now simply save it.
Okay.
Okay, so now let me create this. Now see, if I want to, create the same GL in another company code, you please write down. If I want to create the same GL in another company code, how you can create? So please write down. Uh, create the GL account with the help of template. Create GL account with the help of template. Please give heading. Create GL master with the help of template.
Okay.
Okay. Now see, this GL we have already maintained, created in LI01 company code. I want this GL to be created in LI02, our Mumbai company code. So simply what we will do, I will just change the company code. Please write down. Give company code LI02 and keep and GL account same 1 lakh. Company code LI02, GL account 1 lakh.
Hmm.
And now see, earlier what we can do, if we don't know the
Create.
details, so we can click on create. Now we are creating with the reference of, because this GL is already there in LI01. We right now we maintain. So we are creating
Yeah,
this
yeah.
in LI02 with reference of LI01 GL. So please write down, click on with template, create with template.
1 lakh company code.
Yeah, click on, yeah, click on uh, create with template, and here give the source. Means it is our source from which reference details. Okay, click on with template, create with template, and now give the GL account 1 lakh and company code LI01. Right, in this we have already maintained, right? So we are referring we are taking reference. Okay, give GL account 1 lakh, company code LI01. Okay, continue,
Yeah.
continue, click on continue. Now see, all details have come, all details are copied from LI01 to LI02. You can see all details copied, right? Now simply save it, nothing to do anything. So means you can create GL master, simply you can create, and if you want to create with template, you can create with template also. Means with reference.
So control data tab and also same it will come.
It will
L-
everything, see everything. The only balance of currency, see line item display. Now see create bank interest tab also, everything will be copied, each and everything.
Okay.
Now let's create this GL 2,40,000. uh, the, uh, now please give in the third, please give next, like third GL we will create. In the GL account give 2,40,000. In the GL account 2,40,000, and in company code LI01. Okay, give next.
So the
Next,
GL code is taking us randomly.
means as per the requirement, business whatever the GL wants to create, so they can create that. So in our case, now one series we have created liability, some liability GLs we have created. Now I'm going to create asset GL. This is our cash GL, because we will use this for our study purpose, for our practice. I will show you guys this cash GL I need, and I need this balance sheet GL. But in the real time, what all business is required to maintain the GL, salary GL, rent GL, what all the GLs required, interest GL. So they need to maintain like that. Okay, business
Okay.
has to maintain. Okay, no, not this no, not the consultant, business has to maintain this. Master data
Yeah.
maintenance is a part of business users.
Okay.
Okay, so now see, but you can see account group is a part of chart of account configuration, that is a part of global, that is a part of global parameters. Field status is a part of global parameters. So those things consultant have already done, IT consultant.
Yeah.
So now business users has to do, because this is the business activity. Business has to take decision which GL is required to be created. Okay, so now please give but for my no, for my teaching purpose, what all GLs I need, I'm creating only those GLs only. Okay, so this is 2 series. You can understand this 2 series means which category? Liability, asset.
Asset.
Okay.
Asset, yes. So please give GL account 2,40,000, company code LI01. See, my cousin is from science background. and now she is completing,
Okay.
she is completing a GST with SD topic, means 85% she has completed. You guys are from accounts background, so I don't think you guys will have difficulty. So you guys will,
Hmm.
be more, you guys understand it very easily. So please give GL account 2,40,000 and company code
Yeah.
LI01 and click on
Okay.
create button. Click on create button. Now please give account group. No, first please give balance sheet account radio button. Balance sheet account radio button. Okay. Balance sheet account
Yeah.
radio button, and in the account group select A240. In the account group select A240 cash and bank. A240 cash and bank. A240 cash and bank. Okay.
Hmm.
Now in the
Yeah.
short text, please give cash account. In the long text also cash account. Short
Okay.
text cash account, long text cash account. Now click on control data tab.
Yeah.
Okay. Now here give INR. In account currency give INR.
Okay.
And now this one line item display. Select line item display, tick. Line item display, tick. And short key here we will give 027, not posting date. 027 means value date will, I want this value date to be, if we want, generally for cash or bank GLs, we want value date to be updated in the assignment field at the time of this cash GL posting. So for cash or
Okay.
bank we need value date, cash or bank GL. So we please give line item display checkbox and short key 027.
Okay.
Okay. And now please click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Give field status group. See field status group G00. Give field status group G005, means this is bank account related. Give field status group G005.
Okay.
Okay. And you can see relevant to cash flow. Here see relevant to cash flow. Select this relevant to cash flow checkbox. Enter and simply save it. Relevant to cash flow checkbox select and save. This warning message is coming. You can see the screen please. So please ignore this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ignore this and hit
Okay.
click on tick and save. Yellow message is
Okay.
coming means warning message is come. Warning message means system is not restricting to proceed. But if red error is coming, kind of, means system is restricting us to proceed. We need to resolve that issue first. Okay. So now we have maintained this cash GL. Now we need to extend this. We need to extend this GL to another company code LI02. So what we will do?
Yeah.
We have changed the company code.
With
Don't write.
template.
You can understand like this. Just to write down extend the GL in LI02 company code. Just
Yeah.
simply write down. You can with template. You guys have already seen. So with template you guys can extend.
Hmm.
2,40,000 I will give. This is source reference. LI01 I will give here and simply save it. All details will be copied.
Hmm.
Okay. So now give next GL. Next like fourth one. Next GL. Let's create next GL. I have created liability GL. I have created asset GL. Now let's create income
Yes.
GL 3,20,000. Randomly I'm taking any GL. Huh?
Okay.
It is not like, just for explaining purpose I am taking.
Sure.
So no need, please don't get
Yeah.
confused. So GL account, please give GL account 3,20,000 and company code LI01. GL account 3,20,000, company code LI01, and then click on create button. Okay, click on create button. Now this is profit and loss statement account, not balance sheet. 3 series. 3 series is our
Yeah.
income.
Income. Yeah.
So profit and loss statement account. Please select profit and loss statement radio button, and then account group other income 320. Give I 320 other income. I 320 other income. Functional area is LF finance. Delete finance department. Functional area is delete finance department. Okay.
Yeah.
Give functional area LFIN, delete finance department. Short text, rent received. Short text, rent received. Long text also rent received. Short text, rent received. Long text also rent received. Okay. Now click on control data tab. Click on control data tab.
Yeah.
Give account currency INR, only balance in local currency. Give account currency INR, only balance in local currency, tick. Okay.
Hmm.
Now give line item display. Sort key is 001 posting date. Line item display sort key 001. And this is also not open item. So I am not selecting this open item option. Okay. Line item display tick and sort key 001. Okay. After that click on create bank interest tab
Hmm.
and field status group G029. Field status group G029. Simply save it. Field status group G029 and save it.
Okay.
Now we can write down extend the same GL to LI02. Means create the same GL with template in LI02.
Okay.
Okay. So now this
And
one,
for Singapore USD also, we can extend the GL code.
yes, we can do. See, let me extend this to Singapore LS01 with template. Suppose from LI02, I have copied to LI02. I am copying from LI02. See,
Control data, the SSG choker.
see, SGD has come by default.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
why? Because this company code currency is SGD only.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is why. So let's suppose if LU01 I will do, it will pick by default a USD.
Hmm.
See, means
Okay.
only balance in local currency means it will allow us to do posting in company code currency, and other than company code currency, it will also allow.
Okay.
Okay. Now please we will create next expense, one expense GL. For please give next heading create 4,30,000. 4,30,000. GL account 4,30,000. Company code is LI01. Okay. Now click on create button. Click on create button. Okay, click on create button,
Yeah.
and then account group. Account group is, please give account, first select this P&L, P&L radio button, P&L statement radio button, and then account group is E430 admin expenses.
Okay.
Account group E430 admin expenses. Functional area is L admin, means our finance, Dilip admin department. L admin means Dilip admin department. Functional area L ADM, and short text and long text salary account. Salary account. Short text and long text salary account. Okay.
Yeah.
Short text and
One
long,
minute.
yeah. Short text and long text salary account.
Yeah.
Okay. Now click on the control data tab. Click on control data tab. Okay. Account currency INR. Account currency INR, and select only balance in local currency. Select only balance in local currency. Account currency INR. Select only balance in local currency checkbox. Okay.
Okay.
And then line item display, tick line item display. Tick line item display. Short key 001.
Yeah.
Field status group G004. G004 is for expense. Cost account means for expense. Field status group G004. Okay, and now save. Field status group G004, and then save, and extend this GL to, you can write down, extend this GL to Mumbai company code LI02.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have created our, now please write down next heading, to see the to check, uh, to see these details at the table level, to see the GL master data at table level. GL master data, please give heading GL master data and bracket table level. GL master data, because see, whatever the data is being maintained, that should be there in the database level, and database level is there means at table level. Master data and transactional data, I'm right now I'm telling you guys master data. Okay, so please give heading GL master
Yeah.
data in bracket table level. So these all
Okay.
we need to select, we need to see. You please write down SKA1 table, write down table SKA1. That means
Okay.
table SKA1 dash GL master chart of account. Table SKA1 means GL master chart of account.
Yeah. Hmm.
Next table SKB1 GL master company code area. GL master company code area.
Okay.
And
SK80.
SK, this one, SK, these two things are okay. Okay, these two tables are okay only. So now see, if I will show you SKB1, suppose in I will show you guys, we have created in USD also, LU01 also, right? 1GL.
Hmm. Hmm.
I am giving this SKB1, and this is the company code LU01. I'm executing this. See, 1GL we have, from the template we created today.
Yes.
right? If I will show you
No.
LIZ, hmm?
For centrally, there is any table level for centrally?
Centrally, no. Centrally, no, actually. So either we need to come by, come by chart of account, or we need to come by,
Out of it or count?
uh,
Okay.
SK80 is there, but no, see, no, but this is not that. This is just a text table. This is
Okay.
actually. So we need to come by chart company code, or we need to come by this chart of
Chart
account.
of.
Yes.
Okay.
So see, if I will give this SKB1, and if I want to see this in LI01, in LI01 we created so many six we maintain,
Mm.
right? In LI01 company code.
Yeah.
Now see here, you can see something, you can, and it's like when we created by SAP user, field status. See, G029 is for our income, G004 is for expense field status variant, G005 is for cash GL. You can see the currency, you see the text category also. For one GL we kept it star, so it is showing star.
Yes.
Relevant to cash flow, for
Okay.
this cash GL we selected this X, means we have selected this option. X means automatically posting, we selected this for zero balance clearing. See, and this also.
Mm.
So whatever the line item, X means we have selected this option. This is the meaning of X.
Yeah.
Short key, what short key we given. So all details you can see over here.
Okay.
Local balance, balance in local currency, those we, so all details in database level is available here. Okay.